Jess Martinson here for SureCoat Systems. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the parapet walls and the damage that we see and how we approach fixing them. So those other videos on there that show completed repairs to the parapets, but this one isn't horrible, but this is what they start to look like. So this is expansion and contraction where the mastic, right, has split apart just from the movement of the roof from the hot and cold here. We get about a 40 to sometimes 50 degree swing of temperatures here, so there's a lot of movement, and this material is not made for that. So the SureCoat material is. So here's what happens. All of these areas, again, they don't let a lot of water in, but when we get rain where it rains overnight or for several hours, it penetrates through here, runs down the wall, and drips on their ceiling panels. So then you get the corners, and this one's been fixed several times. You can tell by the layers that are here where it's built up, but here that crack has come through here again because this material is just not that flexible. So if you go down here, continue down here, it's the same thing, and then we end up with bare spots, right, where this is worn, and then I just saw some cracks here. They start to split right on this edge, right here, and it'll open, and the water will run right down here. Here's some repairs that have been done in this area. There's a longer crack here somewhere, but anyway, oh, here we go. These are those worn areas where this splits, expansion and contraction, and sometimes these splits are this long, and you can stick your pen in there. So anyway, if you look on the website, you're going to see areas in there where we've basically taken a piece of 12-inch fabric, started at the top, over the edge, and down the side, right, which takes care of this joint and the nails all at one time. And by having the coating on there, instead of like on an 80-degree day, the surface of this, you can barely touch this and keep your hand on it. It's close to 140, plus degrees right here. So by putting the fabric and coating on there, being that's white and the emissivity it has, it really calms this down. There's very little movement in it at that point, and it's only a couple of degrees above ambient air temperature. So it's a great way
sealing
to
in
fix
these edges here too.
Yeah, so you've got these issues here where these can be filled, and we run the fabric down into this area right here. Thanks for tuning in.